Question 2. A student investigated the effect of substrate concentration on the initial rate of an enzyme catalyzed reaction. We've got 3 lines on our graph. We've got A with the absence of an inhibitor, B with a competitive inhibitor, and C with a non-competitive inhibitor. The question for 2.1 asks us to explain the results of the curve without the inhibitor. So what we are looking at here is the curve that is curve A. We are trying to identify that when the substrate concentration increases, then we also get an increase in the rate of reaction. But the question asks us to explain those results. So the reason why there is an increase is because as we increase the substrate concentration, we're increasing the amount of substrates available. There's more likely going to be a successful collision between an enzyme and a substrate to form an enzyme-substrate complex. So with more substrate, there's going to be an increased number of enzyme-substrate complexes. When we get to the top part of the graph, we can see that it does start to level out, and that's because at some point all of the enzyme molecules are going to be formed, making an enzyme-substrate complex. So that basically means that all of the active sites are now taken up by a substrate. So there are no free active sites available to increase that rate of reaction. So therefore, the enzyme is the limiting factor in this situation.